This is my daughter's car. She's behind me right now. I mean, it's only when you take off, like right now. Yeah. I don't know, I'm to the floor. So I don't know what it is. We're gonna figure this shit out. First of all, guys, if you didn't check out the video before this, go check it out. We're in my daughter's G35. She's in my G37 behind us. But yeah, the car's in limp mode or something. We got to get this figured out. So let's get with it. I don't want her to have to keep on driving in, so. Alright, well yeah, we sure enough got to get it fixed now because ain't been home 5 minutes and she's already having to take the G37. So let's figure this one out. I hope she don't get pulled over because that damn thing's so loud. Alright, it's got to be something because like I said, the brake lights are left on. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit that notification bell. Share it with your friends. Let me know. I need some help on this one. Got to get it going. Like I said, I cannot let her be driving my G37. I don't want it to get tore up. She's back. On the phone driving my car?
They pay $10 to $12 an hour, and it's right down the road. Well, I'm not gonna.
Make sure you put my seat back where it was.
But I won't hear back from them until at least next Wednesday.
I had to undo the battery.
Alright, later.
Anyway, I undone the battery because the light wouldn't go off. Alright guys, we're going to go back out here, see if we can figure this thing out. I just uploaded a video just then. Maybe I can get some feedback on the situation. But it might be too late for the video for tonight to really get any views, but we'll just see. Gotta get it going, guys, because you know how them women love to run the roads. So yeah, I shouldn't have said it. Yeah, I shouldn't have said that. I'm sorry. Hey, I love to run the roads too. Alright, let's get with it. That's fine. Whatever it could be. I have no idea, but we're going to try to figure it out. Look, I want to just see. Alright, tail lights are, brake lights are on. But I want to see if you have. Where's your flashlight? Your phone?
Over there.
Turn your flashlight on.
Nice good old breeze.
I just want to see if you have any. I mean, there might be a wire hitting when you hit your foot pedal, the brake pedal, or whatever. I mean, there is some switch. Look back there and see if that tail light goes off.
No, it's still on. I did on the way to Shreveport. You know how them the drunk bumps are? You get in them, you can't get out of them.
Yeah.
Well, it kind of caught me off guard when I got into it, and I kind of jerked over a little bit. But could that have made my tires get out of line or anything? I mean, I didn't jerk over a lot. I just kind of, jerked it back in line. That's literally the only thing I could even think of.
Possible, but be crazy too, really.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'm going to jack it up and I'm going to...
Oh, Maggie, there's a frog.
Huh?
Maggie sees a frog.
Don't let her lick that frog.
Yeah, Maggie, let's leave the froggies alone. Let him go. Shoot, little guy, shoot.
Alright, let me hit the emergency brake.
Actually, hit the brake and let me see if these white lights are coming on.
Huh?
These white lights should be coming on too. Turn the blinker.
I ain't doing it with key off.
Oh.
I didn't push the brake again, so your brake lights are stuck. I'm just gonna... But I mean, maybe these cars have sensors and might make it where it won't. But that seemed like that would be a hazardous though for it to be made to do this.
Mm-hmm.
Not want to go.
Well, I mean, if you're not gassing it, you're not going to be hitting the brakes. But the brakes seem to work fine.
Let's see if they're off.
Yeah.
They're off?
Yeah. They're on.
Okay. I got it, baby.
But they're back on.
Come here. Okay. I seen this earlier. And when I seen it, come here. I thought it was this. Shine your flashlight on that. Where'd the flashlight go? See that? The little stud button?
Yeah.
For your format? See that in there?
Yeah.
Grab it. I thought that's what that was.
What is this?
It's not. Okay. It is. Flashlight. I mean, it's broke. Whatever this is, it is broke. Alright. I mean, that's why it came off. You're going over them bumps. Alright, guys.
Can you...
So, see that right there? There's supposed to be something right there. They're off, ain't they?
Yeah.
They're back on, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, so this button right here came out of that area. So we're going to put it in. It's hard to see right here, guys, and it's hot as hell. I thought I could, let's see. What?
I just saw a frog eat something.
I just pooted.
No, a literal frog. Hey, you leave that frog alone. Hey. No, he was eating like a worm or something. I thought he was attached to something, but he ate that sucker and ran.
If you can see this right here, I put this little plastic deal in here where the little tip won't come through this hole. We're just gonna go down the road. I just mainly wanted to see if this will still work, but I can push the brake and all that.
Wait, push it again? Oh, okay.
Alright, so let's just go see. I'm gonna have to order that part right up there. So it'll be fixed right. But we're gonna mainly go down. We're gonna go down the road and make sure that is.
You trying to hand me that? Or?
What it is. Alright, we'll just hold this camera. Let me see. See. So that's a plus there already. I can't see my car back there. Oh, I gotta turn the lights on.